Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 6868, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 6868? What's the symbolism of 6868? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 6868 mean for love? What does 6868 mean for twin flames? What does 6868 for manifestation? How does angel number 6868 affect finances? What does 6868 mean for former relationships? How does 6868 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 6868? What are the weaknesses of angel number 6868? What's the meaning of angel number 6868? Angel number 6868 is a powerful sign of balance between the material and spiritual world. The number 6 represents responsibility, family, and care, while 8 signifies abundance, personal power, and achievement. Seeing 6868 is a message that material success is possible when your actions align with spiritual principles. It encourages you to manage responsibilities wisely while staying focused on personal goals. Your angels want you to know that you are supported, and any current financial or personal challenges are helping you grow stronger. Stay confident and grounded, as abundance is on the way when balance and integrity are maintained. What's the symbolism of angel number 6868? The symbolism of 6868 revolves around cycles of abundance, responsibility, and transformation. The repetition of 6 and 8 reflects a push-pull between nurturing others and asserting personal ambition. Number 6 symbolizes domestic harmony and service, while 8 symbolizes success and karmic cycles. Together, they symbolize a harmonious life achieved through balance and conscious decision-making. The repetition amplifies the importance of each number's energy. 6868 may appear when you're being asked to release unhealthy attachments and focus on what truly matters, whether that's family, financial health, or spiritual fulfillment. It's a powerful reminder of balance, manifestation, and inner strength. What is the angel number 6868's spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 6868 calls for aligning your physical and spiritual priorities. It encourages trust in the universe while reminding you that action is necessary to. The number 6 suggests nurturing your spirit through love and service, while 8 urges you to step into your spiritual authority. This number suggests karmic energy is at play. What you give out will return. It's a message to remain grateful, responsible, and spiritually aware while working toward your goals. You are being supported in balancing your spiritual growth with worldly success, creating a more holistic and fulfilled life journey. What does the angel number 6868 mean for love? In love, angel number 6868 points to the need for balance, stability, and mutual growth. If you're in a relationship, it urges you to evaluate whether the emotional and practical needs of both partners are being met. The 6 energy nurtures love and compassion, while 8 encourages strength and independence. Together, they promote a healthy, empowered partnership. For singles, 6868 suggests preparing for a stable relationship by working on personal empowerment and emotional healing. Love under this number is not only about romance, it's about building something strong, mutual, and enduring that aligns with both heart and life goals. What does angel number 6868 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 6868 signifies an evolving journey where both individuals are learning to balance independence with unity. It reflects the need to work on karmic healing and emotional maturity before full union can occur. The 6 brings emotional closeness and harmony, while 8 emphasizes personal strength and soul mission. This number suggests both twins are on paths of growth and may be reconnecting after a period of distance. It urges mutual respect and growth through challenge. Angel number 6868 is a sign that your connection is divinely guided, but it must be built on personal wholeness first. What does angel number 6868 for manifestation? When it comes to manifestation, angel number 6868 signals a potent time to bring your desires into form, particularly in finances and stability. The energy of 8 promotes material abundance, while 6 ensures that your goals are heart-centered and aligned with your values. This number asks you to stay consistent, take practical action, and let go of limiting belief. Manifestation is most successful now when you trust in divine timing and remain grateful. Your angels remind you that prosperity will stay open to opportunities and nurture both your goals and spirit. How does angel number 6868 affect finances? Angel number 6868 has strong financial implications, signaling abundance, responsibility, and karmic return. The number 8 is associated with wealth and success, while 6 encourages responsible financial stewardship and giving back. You may be entering a phase of financial growth or recovery, where smart decisions and aligned actions lead to material gains. However, this number also reminds you not to let wealth consume your values or relationship. Your angels want you to balance ambition with compassion and to be generous without compromising stability. Trust that your financial goals are supported if you act with integrity and long-term vision. What does angel number 6868 mean for former relationships? Regarding former relationships, angel number 6868 encourages healing, reflection, and closure through emotional maturity. It's a reminder that past connections, whether painful or joyful, held lessons essential for your growth. The number 6 helps you release emotional burdens, while 8 highlights personal empowerment and karmic completion. This number may signal the end of emotional cycles or attachments, urging you to let go with grace. You are being reminded that holding on hinders new blessings. Learn from the past, forgive, and use those lessons to build stronger future relationships. Emotional freedom will open the door to healthier connections moving forward. How does angel number 6868 guide your work life? In work and career, angel number 6868 guides you to pursue goals with integrity, responsibility, and personal empowerment. It suggests a period of professional growth, financial improvement, or new leadership opportunities. The number 8 emphasizes ambition and success, while 6 calls for ethical practices and team collaboration. This number may also be a call to align your work with your values or purpose. If you've been feeling stuck, 6868 encourages you to reassess your priorities and take bold steps toward fulfillment. Your angels support career paths that blend material success with emotional well-being and long-term satisfaction. What are the strengths of angel number 6868? The strengths of angel number 6868 include resilience, balance, leadership, and emotional intelligence. People influenced by this number can manage responsibilities well while striving for personal and financial success. The dual energy of 6 and 8 brings compassion with practicality, allowing for strong partnerships and wise decision-making. These individuals often serve others while building their own secure foundation. They're ambitious but grounded, making them reliable in relationships and careers alike. The repetition of 6868 strengthens intuition and determination, creating a solid character that can overcome adversity. It's a number that thrives in structure, emotional stability, and long-term vision. What are the weaknesses of angel number 6868? The weaknesses of angel number 6868 may include overattachment to material things, emotional rigidity, or fear of vulnerability. The influence of 8 can lead to power struggles or obsession with financial success, while 6's caring nature can result in self-sacrifice or codependency. This imbalance may cause tension in relationships or burnout in work life. There's also a tendency to resist change or suppress emotions,